Intro, welcome to RideMXO. Harley Davidson Street Glide, a legendary touring machine built for riders who want power, comfort, and unmistakable American style. Today on RideMXO, we explore what makes the Street Glide one of the most iconic cruisers on the road. Design and styling. The Street Glide stands out with its signature batwing fairing, aggressive stance, and clean bagger look. Chrome accents, stretched saddlebags, and premium LED lighting make it instantly recognizable and perfect for long road journeys. Engine and performance. Powered by the Milwaukee-Eight engine, the Street Glide delivers strong torque, smooth throttle response, and effortless highway cruising. Its refined suspension and responsive handling enhance stability, even at higher speeds. Comfort and features. The bike offers a relaxed riding position, cushioned seating, and advanced infotainment with touchscreen controls. With Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and powerful speakers, riders enjoy both comfort and convenience. Safety and technology. Equipped with reflex defensive rider systems, ABS, traction control, and cornering enhancements, the Street Glide provides confidence on every ride. Its high-quality frame and braking system ensures solid performance in all conditions. Final verdict. Harley Davidson Street Glide is a premium touring bike built for riders who value comfort, power, and long-distance capability. A timeless cruiser that blends tradition with modern tech, perfect for every open-road adventure.